Part 5. Angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. You will find this on page 165 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Parallel lines. When two lines lying on the same plane do not intersect, they are called parallel lines. Can you see AB and CD? The distance between the lines stay the same. That's why they're parallel. If you look at PQ and RS, they're going closer and closer, so they will intersect somewhere. They are non-parallel lines. So in the figure above, AB and CD are parallel lines. We use the symbol two stripes to denote a parallel line. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD, and we say AB is parallel to CD. In a diagram, parallel lines are indicated with an equal number of arrowheads on each line. So if I just put 1, then this one must also have 1. If this is having 2, then this one must have 2. And if it's parallel to this one, it must also have 2. And if it's having 3, then this one must have 3. Usually we do this when there's more than one set of parallel lines. Then for the first set, we make 1 arrowhead. For the second set, we make 2 arrowheads. And for the third set, we can make 3 arrowheads. Okay, a transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects 2 or more lines in the same plane. In the figure, the line PQ is known as a transversal. And there are 8 angles formed at the 2 intersections. So there's the transversal, and there is my 2 lines. Okay, these angles are named according to their relative position as corresponding angles, alternate angles, or co-interior angles. Now, this is very important. These names describe the angles, whether the lines involved are parallel or not parallel. I'm going to just highlight this. This is very important. So, we're still going to name it that names, even if they are parallel or not parallel. Although we are going to work in this chapter just with parallel lines. But first, just the names. Okay, the first one, corresponding angles. Okay, let's just highlight that again. Corresponding angles. Okay, let's just move it up a little bit. If you look at this figure, you can see 1 and 5 is corresponding. Can you see the letter F? There. Okay. 4 and 8 is corresponding. Can you again see the letter F? I think what we must do, let me just take a pen and try to show you a little bit better. Do you see the F? Do you see the F here also? So it's 4 and 8. Do you see the F? It can be rotated. So it's that 2 and 6. Do you see the F here? And it's 3 and 7. That F is not very clear marked. Better marked. Okay, 3 and 7. So 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 2 and 6, and 3 and 7 are pairs of corresponding angles. You can remember the position by using the letter F in different reflections or rotations. I just showed you it can be rotated or it can be reflected, but it will be a F and it will be the inside corners of the F. Okay, let's look at the next one. We're just going to make this one another color. Alternate angles, let's decide on this one to be green. Let's get that highlight. Alternate angles. Okay, and now we're going to go to our pen. So look at, I want to see, so it will be 3 and 5. Now it's not F. Can you see the Z? So it's 3 and 5. Can you again see the Z? It's just the other way around. 4 and 6. So they are pairs of alternate angles. You can remember the position by using the letter N, or if you turn it around, Z, in different reflections, rotations. And can you see how I reflected and rotated the Z or the N? And then the next one, the last one, will be, and we're going to make that one yellow, co-interior angles. And now, can you see? It's like a U or a C. So what will it be? It will be the letter 4 and the number 4 and 5, and it will be the number 3 and 6. So you can remember the position by using the letter U in different reflections or rotations. Okay, so note, how can you remember this? Fun. Maths geometry is fun. So F is for corresponding angles. And what was corresponding angles? That was blue. Let's just mark that. So that was my corresponding. And then what was my co-interior angles? That was yellow. And what was my alternate angles? That was green. Okay. So this is the way to remember the different angles if the lines is cut by a transversal. Okay. Let's look at an example. I'm just going to move it up. So refer to the figure, write down the following. Both pairs of alternate angles. Now, can you remember alternate angles? It's that Z. So it will be B and H. Look at that Z there. So it will be C and E. Okay. All the pairs of corresponding, there's a lot. So look first at that side. So let's look at that F. Okay, we can start the F like this. So it will be A and E. Then we can go with the F like this. This will be B and F. And then we go to the other side. It will be, if you look at this side, it will be D and H. And if you look at this side, C and G. Okay, that was all the F. And then co-interior, this will be on the same side but the in. So it's B and E. And if you look at this side, it will be C and H. Okay, let's go to the next one. I want you to stop the video and I want you to try now 6 number A, B and C. And as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's do alternate angles. So it's try now 6. And we're going to start with the alternate. That was the green ones. Okay, I'm going to try to highlight it again for you. You remember your Z? So what will it be? It will be 4 and 6. So angle 6 and angle 4. But okay, I'm just going to clean it every time so that you see better. Okay, so now it can also be the Z like this. So can you see it will be 3 and 5. So it will be, okay, angle 3 and angle 5. Let's just clean that little. Okay. Then we look at B, corresponding angles. And we made corresponding angles blue. So let's work with blue. Again, we clean it. And can you remember corresponding angles was the F? So, okay, there's going to be quite a lot. So we're just going to start. Okay, let's make the F like this. So what will it? 3 and 7. So angle 3 and angle 7. Okay. Then we're going to clean. We make another F. We're going to make it on the same side, but like this. So what will it be? 6 and 2. So angle 2 and angle, ooh, that's a 2 and angle 6. Okay. Then we are going to make it like the other side. So we're going to make it like this. Can you see? So what will it be? Angle 3 and angle. Okay, no, what is that little letter? It's 8 and 4. Angle 8 and angle 4. So angle 8 and angle 4. I think I must make it a little bit bigger. Let's see if it's going to work. Yes. Then you can see a little bit better. Okay, angle 8 and angle 4. Okay, and now the last one. Let's just clean it. The last one, there's my F. So it will be angle 1 and angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, and then the last one is number C. And number C is the co-interior, and I made it yellow. So I think we're going to just make it white now. Oh, the white will not work. Let's make it red. Just for this example. No, we will work with yellow. We will just write in white. So basically, remember co-interior angles. Let's just go for that yellow. It will be that C. So it will be angle 4 and 5. Let's just write. So angle 4 and angle 5. Okay? And then again, clean, and let's do it to the other side. Angle 3 and angle 6. So angle 3 and angle 6. And there is my 3 different type of angles.